Welcome to another episode of Creative Cooking. I'm going to share a recipe and method for making perfect scrambled eggs that your family will ask for time and time again. I like to use 2.5 large eggs per person, so this video is based on 5. You will also need some whole milk ricotta cheese and a pinch of salt. Whisk the eggs vigorously and allow bubbles to form. Those bubbles contain air that will help the eggs come out light and fluffy. Next, add 2 dollops of ricotta cheese and continue whisking only until the cheese is mixed in. Try not to overmix. You want to see little bits of ricotta floating around in there. Also, hold off adding any salt until the eggs are in the pan and cooking. That's because the salt will begin to extract water from the eggs and they won't come out nice and fluffy. You may want to prepare sides ahead of cooking the eggs because the eggs will require your undivided attention. I'm serving mine with breakfast sausage and rye toast. Once in the pan, begin scraping along the sides and stir towards the center. We are going for large curd scrambled eggs. You can see them forming as the eggs cook. Small curd, which is more like a mush, would be served on toast. I'll do a separate video for that. Once the eggs begin to cook, go ahead and stir in the salt. When they look almost done, remove from heat and use the residual heat in the pan to finish cooking. Serve these immediately on a warm plate with your choice of sides. Garnish with some chopped green onion, chives, or parsley. You can also drizzle some melted butter or cream on top for extra richness. And there you have it. Perfect eggs for a quick breakfast. Bon appetit.